How to get the reply option on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if you're not getting the reply option on Instagram. Now, if you log into your Instagram account, you'll get an interface that you can see on screen right now. Now, if you tap to this messaging icon that you can find on the top right of your screen and open up a random chat and long tap or long press on the message, then you'll get an option to reply. Now, if you aren't getting this, then it's probably because you haven't updated Instagram to the latest version. Now, go ahead to your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram and make sure it's updated to the latest version of the app. Now, if your app isn't updated, you'll get an update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. So you can see that my app is updated. So if you haven't updated it, update it and go ahead and open the app. And if you still don't get the reply option, then click on the profile icon and tap on the three line icon that you can find on your screen. Then simply go ahead to settings and privacy. Once on settings and privacy, if you scroll down all the way below, you'll get an option help. Click on it and tap on report a problem. And here you can report a problem. You can attach your screenshot of your chat where you don't have the reply option and you can send it to Instagram. They'll probably get back to you and this will help you. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.